Sometimes you might have a design and an object will be beneath an object that you want it to be revealed. So how will you bring the object up? So we'll do it under order to front of layer. So something like this. Let's assume it is behind. So how will you bring it forward? So let's assume this height is and go up. Something like this. Draw another one. Assume this one will have. I want this object, this text, to come above this. I don't need this anymore, so delete it. I want something like this. The front should come to the front. So I will bring it forward. What we'll do, we copy this. What we'll do is that we click this, the first method, so we'll come to order or come to object. Can you see it? Order. Bring forward to front. Can you see? To front of layer. Can you see? Shift. The shortcut is shift page up on your keyboard. Can you see it? So this is how it works. The next one, taking something behind. Let's assume it's front. Can you take it? How can you take it backward? So this is how it works too. I need this. I don't need this. So how will I take this behind the other one? How will I do? I'll come to objects, yet click on objects, back of layer, shift page down, can you see it? To come behind the layer of that first one. So this is how it works in CorelDRAW. Don't forget to subscribe. Watch this video on your screen for more idea and hints on graphic design. You're welcome.